Okay, so today we take up the formal letter writing. Formal letter writing, this comes as a question in the section B, that is the writing portion, and this is a 6 marks question in the board examination. Now, how these 6 marks are split: the format remains for 1 mark, the content is for 2 marks. The content 2 marks means that what is the relevance of the content that you have written. Fine, it should be written to whatsoever has been asked in the question. Now, the 3 marks are for the expression and the presentation part, fine, and in this part the grammatical errors, the vocabulary, everything is taken into consideration, fine. So, in formal letter writing, the 6 marks are split as format for 1 mark, content 2 marks, and expression and presentation for 3 marks. Now, the word limit, it happens to be within 120 to 150 words. So, your content should be within 120 to 150 words, fine. So, please do stick to the word limit whether it is mentioned in the question or not. Now, when you write a formal letter, you need to know before that the types of the formal letter are business letters, the letters to the editor, letters concerning the civic issues, and the job applications. Fine. So, the types of formal letters can be business letters, letters to the editor, letters concerning the civic issues, and the job applications. The business letters are further of various types. They can be the letters of enquiries, they can be the letters of replies, they can be letters regarding the orders, or they can be the letters of complaints. Fine. So, the business letters, they can be further categorized into 4 types: enquiries, replies, placing orders, and letters of complaints. Fine. In letters to editor, what do? That you write a letter to the editor of a magazine or a newspaper whenever you want to express your ideas regarding a particular issue, or whenever you want your article to be published in that particular newspaper or magazine. Say for example, these days due to the coronavirus outbreak, a lot of people are under stress and there's a lot of panic too, fine. And if you want to present your views on this particular issue, so you want to write a letter to the editor, because that through that newspaper or through a particular magazine you will be able to reach a number of people. So how you can do that? You can write a letter to the editor expressing your views, and then your letter can be taken into consideration by the editor of that particular daily. Now, letters concerning the civic issues, what is there in such letters? You just express your ideas about a particular situation, about a particular condition, which can be related to the hygienic concerns, which can be related to the issues concerning the common masses, which can be related to your surrounding areas. So, in such cases, you write letters to the higher authorities. You write letters to the concerned authorities. Say, for example, if you want to aware the municipal commissioner of your area regarding the hygienic condition of your area, so you will be writing a letter to the municipal commissioner. So that is a letter which comes under this category. Now, next is the job applications part. Say for example, if you happen to see an advertisement in a newspaper for the post of say TGT English in a particular school, and you want to apply for that particular post, so you will be writing a letter to the higher authority of that particular school, and that is considered as a job application. So the letter that you will be writing, that is also a formal letter only, fine. Now, whensoever you write any letter, do keep in mind the ABC. Now, what is the ABC? ABC means the accuracy, brevity, and clarity, meaning thereby that whenever you are writing a letter under any of these categories, you should be accurate, fine. Whatever information you are providing, whatever concern you are taking into consideration, you should be accurate in that. And brevity should be kept in mind. Brevity means that be brief, fine. Do express your ideas in brief. Just do not write very long sentences, very complex sentences, and the content is too much. That should not be there, fine. So brevity should be kept in mind. Another thing is clarity. Clarity means whatever you are writing, be clear in that. Okay, whatever concern you want to highlight, or whatever is the subject, whatever is the purpose of writing the particular letter, you should be clear in that, fine. That should be clearly informed to the concerned person. Now, coming over to the format of writing a letter, whatever letter you are writing, whether it is a business letter, whether it is a letter to the editor, whether it is letter concerning the civic issues or a job application, whatsoever it is, the format remains the same. Now, what is the format? First of all, you need to write the sender's address. Now, sender's address means your own address. Whenever you write any letter in the examination, please do not reveal your identity in any form. Do not write your name, do not write the name of your school, do not write your roll number, do not write the name of your city. Okay. So, in sender's address, please use the address which is given in the question. In any case, if it is not given in the question, do write ABC city or XYZ, anything like that. Fine. Then you are to leave one line. This particular thing, it refers to that you are to leave one line. After leaving one line, you need to write the date. Okay. Again, leave one line and write the receiver's address. Now, receiver means to whom you are writing the letter. For example, if you are writing a letter to the editor, the receiver will be the editor. Uske niche you will write the Tribune or whatsoever is the name of the newspaper or the magazine, and then the name of the city. Again, leave one line and then write the subject. Subject refers to that what is the purpose of writing a particular letter. Okay. So, you write subject. After that, again leave one line and then you write the salutation. Salutation is dear sir, dear ma'am, respected sir, respected ma'am, whatsoever. Fine. So, after salutation, again leave one line and then start with the content, that is the body of the letter. The content is to be divided into paragraphs. Okay. Leave one line and then comes the subscription part. Subscription part means yours sincerely, yours faithfully, yours truly, and after that you need to write your name and the designation. Fine. So, what is the format? The sender's address, leave one line, write the date, leave one line, receiver's address, leave one line, subject, leave one line, salutation, leave one line, content, leave one line, subscription, your name and designation. Fine. So, this is the format of writing a letter. Now, I am forwarding one example of the business letter, the very first category, enquiry part. So, please go through the letter thoroughly so that we can do the questions based on such part. Thank you.